Guess who's eating a bait? Let me get through here though. Fuck off. In the sticks sticking out, people. I've got a new pack here, yeah. All my camera equipment's in here, so I feel like I'm professional at this point in time now. Bushcraft camp today. Because obviously where I done my bushcraft camp last week, some little fucking noses, cretins, have decided to knock it down, eh they? And I just thought, you know what? I have to go and find somewhere where it's out of the way, hidden. And I think I found the spot, people. This is where I'm going to build something. That's what I'm working with. Yeah, something like, we'll see anyway. Let me get my fucking shit out. And we'll have a gander. Great Britain, get back Shagrack. Fuck off. Oh. What do you think of the rig then, people? That day took 15 minutes really. There's a lot of dead standing anyway. And a lot of dead wood anyway, so I'm going to get what I can. Might have to chop down some, but it's already dead, so I killing the planet before anyone starts being mad. I don't want to cause no problems with nobody. So let's try and get this together. Just behind me. So yeah, gonna collect a bit of, I was gonna say firewood then, but building material. There's gotta be something better than this, eh, the people? Fucking hell. That makes things easier, does it? Impressive. Stop recording. That's gonna go up on there, up on there. Oh, and then I've got this up here as well, people. It's coming together though. One more there. Mate, you getting the idea? Because I'm visioning it. Okay, I've done a few bits off camera. I ain't gonna put a roof on it yet though, because I want to get a tarp. Yeah, I think I might have a cup of tea though or something. Let's have a cup of tea. Outdoor use only, do not remove this label. I'll fucking remove the label. You're not seeing me. Let that do its thing. Don't take long to boil, does it? I've got a binge at the moment. That's me brew. Oh, happy what I've done today. I've got a base up. I've got an idea how it's going to look now anyway.
Smokestack spitting black soot into the sooty sky. The load on the road brings a tear to the Indian's eye. The elephant won't forget what it's like inside his cage. The ringmaster's telecaster sings on an empty stage.
The things you do, eh?